What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another video in collaboration with Vici dolls. I'm actually doing a travel haul. So I have a huge trip coming up at the end of the month and I'm so excited about it, and I wanted to get some cool pieces. You know, when you go on vacation, you want to get like new clothes that you feel really good in, and Vici is just that spot for me. They always have new amazing things coming in and they always are restocking my favorites, and you can always use the code Steph20 as well for 20% off of your entire purchase. So that's awesome. I will have that down below with all of the pieces linked, but I'm going to be doing like a little try on session and just showing you guys some of my favorite new pieces. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this lightweight sweater. This one is in the color mocha. I believe it comes in a couple other colors. And this is one of my favorite things to have in my closet because it's so easy to throw on. And you can wear it so many different ways. You could wear this with like white skinnies and some heels if you wanted to dress it up a little bit. Or you could wear it like I'm going to with some cut-off denim shorts. And the greatest thing about this is it is super lightweight. So I can wear it throughout the day, or if I'm on vacation or at the beach all day, I could throw this on over a suit and be good to go and just like grab dinner or something. It's just really easy, really versatile. You could wear it as it's hanging here as like a boat neck, or you could wear it off the shoulder, which you guys know. That's what I'm gonna do. So the second thing I'm gonna show you guys is one of my favorites in this whole haul. When I think of vacation, I always think white. Like I always want to bring white things with me, and this romper is so good. This little white romper is precious. It's fully lined, which is amazing. It has these really cute little like eyelet details around the legs, and the back has such a cute detail. So the straps come down like this, and then it ties back in the back. You get a little keyhole in the back, and then the front has, it's actually, oh, I thought that was a snap. No, it's actually sewn right there, which I really appreciate. It cinches you in at the waist. I feel like it's just such a flattering cut, and it's just really feminine and girly, which I love. Next, I have a couple of just really basic tanks, which are a necessity. I love these. The cut is amazing. They feel so good. So this is a lightly ribbed tank, and you can see here it's really lightweight. It's not going to be heavy. I got the black and I got the mocha because these are just my tones, and if I like something, I want it in every color. So the things that I love most about this are it's super slimming, and I can wear a normal bra with this. I hate wearing strapless bras, sticky bras. I just hate it all. So being able to wear like a normal bra with this is amazing. It's super fitted without having to wear a bodysuit, because some days, you know, you just don't want to deal with having to snap your crotch. So I love these. They tuck in, they look like I'm wearing a bodysuit, but I'm still super comfortable. They're lightweight, normal bra. They're just a good thing to have in your closet. I could wear this with jeans or with skirts or shorts. Goes with everything, and they come in the black, the mocha, and I believe it comes in ivory as well. So all of the basics, you need them. So when I go on vacation, I always like to have one cute, like easy breezy, flirty dress. Nothing too fancy, but still cute, you know? And this dress is it for me. I love this so much. I've been obsessed with anything red, and I love the pattern on this. I think it's really feminine, and the cut of it is so sweet. It's very flattering while still having ruffles, because sometimes ruffles can just make me look like large and in charge, and I'm not about that life. These ones are so flattering. I love the cut of the neck. It has long sleeves, which I'll probably end up just rolling these up whenever I wear it. It cinches in at the waist. You have a nice little tie at the waist as well, and then the bottom has the ruffles as well. I'm really into this one. I love it. I think it is so sweet, and you could do this so many ways. So during the day, if I was gonna wear this, I could wear this with just really clean white sneakers, and it would be such a cute outfit. Or I could throw on some heels and wear it for an evening out. So last but definitely not least is this olive jumper. You guys know I'm a sucker for olive, and I'm a sucker for jumpers. So this was like a 2-in-1 for me, but I love this. I love the halter top that this has. It also has a cinched in waist with the belt, and this looks like faux paper bag pants. The bottom does taper, which I really appreciate. I am a small person, so if I'm gonna do a jumpsuit, it needs to be a little bit more slimming. And then the back is also really cute. So it has the keyhole detail back here with the halter, and I just think it's such a flattering cut. and being able to wear a jumpsuit that is flattering is such a good thing to have in your closet, especially if you're going on vacation, because you could dress this up or dress this down, kind of just like the last dress. This one is a little bit more dressy, but you could totally wear this with sandals and get away with it as well with like a big fedora, and it would be really, really cute. So to go along with all of the outfits that I picked out, I also picked up this bag. I am generally just not like a bag person, but I wanted to have one bag that says like, hey, I'm on vacation, and it goes with everything, so I'm not packing numerous ones, and I love this. So this is actually like a structured bag, which I really like. I've seen a lot of like the straw bags, and then they're just like floppy, and it doesn't look clean. I love this one because it's very structured, it looks clean, it's big enough to hold lip gloss, wallet, all of that stuff, but it's just simple and it goes with everything. Especially I love it with the white outfit, and it has this cognac leather strap. So if you're gonna get a vacation bag, I would suggest this one. That's it for this Vici Dolls haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to always use the code STEPH20. You can get 20% off your entire purchase. I will have all of the pieces listed down below that I talked about, and if it is out of stock, sign up for the restock because they constantly are restocking. Check out the new arrivals because they have them new every single day. But yeah, let me know what you guys kind of go-to vacay outfits are, and I will let you know where I'm going really soon. I'll be able to tell you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram because I will have styled photos of all of these pieces as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.